This is Zichru Daf Simanim Gemara Sanhedrin Daf Yod Dalid, and Yod Dalid we spell that out. That is a yad, and a yad. What do we do with our hands? We're going to be juggling. So we have a juggler, and the juggler over here on the names of his 5 juggling pins and spears. Quite a dangerous endeavor. Rameir, Rav Yehuda, Rav Shimon, Rav Asi, Rav Elazar ben Shamua, all of the great Rabbanim, they receive smicha. And this juggling act is quite dangerous. That reminds us of someone that risked his life regarding smicha, Rav Yehuda ben Bava. Point number 2 is that when did he perform this smicha? Only for an audience in Eretz Yisrael, for those in Eretz Yisrael. As you see the sign over here, only in Eretz Yisrael, for those in Eretz Yisrael. And finally, you see on the right side over here, you see a dead body. This is Egla Arufa, and who's coming to measure the distance? The entire Sanhedrin. And that's the machlokes. How many diyanim do we need for Egla Arufa? So we have Daf Yud Dalid. We have our hands. We're juggling with our hands, and it's quite a dangerous act, as Rav Yehuda ben Baba risks his life for smicha. We have the 5 great rabbanim that receive smicha on the juggling pins of Shimon, Rav Yehuda, Rameir, Rav Asi, Rav Elazar ben Shamua. Where are these hands, this yad, doing this act of juggling in Eretz Yisrael for those of Eretz Yisrael? And finally, the rabbanim on the Sanhedrin coming to measure the Egla Arufa. So let's go a little bit deeper. Point number 1, Rav Yehuda ben Bava puts his life on the line to perpetuate smicha. Says Ram Zachar Isa Ishla Ta'iv, and Rav Yehuda ben Bava Shemea, could have not for him, Knesset would have been eliminated from Klal Yisrael. Why? Because you need smicha. The Romans made a decree: whoever did smicha, they're going to be killed. The city will be destroyed. The tchum will be destroyed. Rav Yehuda ben Bava went between 2 large mountains, 2 cities, 2 tchum boundaries, and he gave smicha to whom? Those 5 greats who run his juggling pins. Again, Daf Yud Dalid, utilizing our hands, juggling the smicha that Rav Yehuda ben Bava risked his life. Rameir, Rav Yehuda, Rav Shimon, Rav Osi, and Rav Elazar ben Shamua. Everyone else ran away. Rav Elazar ben Shamua said, Rav Elazar ben Bava, said, and the enemy killed him, put 300 spears through him like a sieve. Point number 2 is that we can only give smicha if both parties are together in Eretz Yisrael. So Rishon and Levi, there's no smicha outside of Eretz Yisrael. It can't be given outside of Eretz Yisrael. However, you can receive smicha in Eretz Yisrael. You can then rule on Knesset in Chutz Haaretz. But ask the Gemara, what about if you're inside Eretz Yisrael, but those receiving smicha are outside? The Gemara proves that Rav Yochanan wanted to do such, but he could not. Why? Because they have to be in the same location, those giving and those receiving smicha. And finally, point number 3 is, as we had the dead body on the right side, the machlokes, how many diyanim are needed for Egla Arufa? Says the Mishnah, Rav Shimon required 3 people of Sanhedrin for Egla Arufa. Rav Yehuda said 5. Rav Shimon darshes from Zikei Necha is 2, and Bezin can't be even, therefore you need 3. Shayftecha is 2, Miyuchadin Shem Shayftecha, which means judges, and that's how you get to 5. Rav Yehuda agrees, but he adds another 2 because of the Vav of Vish Shayftecha. The Mishnah does not go plus ben Yaakov. Why? Because the Kenecha Zeus and Hedjin Shayftecha teaches the king and the Kohen Gadol, and that is how many dayanim are needed for Egla Arufa. So in Daf Yud Dalid, our yad, our yadayim, we're juggling with our hands, performing an incredible, dangerous juggling act. Rav Elazar ben Shamua risking his life to give smicha to whom? Rameir, Rav Yehuda, Rav Shimon, Rav Yosi, and Rav Elazar ben Shamua. Where did he give smicha? In Eretz Yisrael, for those in Eretz Yisrael. And who's going to come and measure the Egla Arufa? Is it going to be 5? Is it going to be 7 dayanim? Is it going to be the entire Sanhedrin coming to measure? Daf Yud Dalid, the juggler in Gemara Sanhedrin.